Alright everyone, welcome back. We're going to start right here at Lowe's.
Would you like to see?
Yeah.
With the DeWalt 12 volt extreme kit. So they still have the combo going on, guys. $199, you can get the reciprocating saw, the circular saw, impact wrench, spotlight, or Bluetooth speaker. Now this sale goes until November 3rd. I looked it up online at work today. Looks like they still have quite a few kits left here, at least in my local store. Guys, I can't recommend this DeWalt 12 volt enough. I don't show DeWalt enough love on my channel, guys, but DeWalt, the 12 volt stuff is freaking awesome. I love it. I will be getting this, guys. The test between this circular saw and the Skil 12 volt is still coming. What's this work light here? How many lumens is this thing? Oh, it's 20 or 12. That's cool. 360 degrees. I think it's 2000. Yeah, 2000 lumen. Oh, it's IP54 rated. A little bit of dust. It's all good. Reciprocating saw. It has 5/8 inch stroke length, 2800 strokes per minute. Total weight 3 pounds. I've tested this before. I really like this one as well. Of course, the circular saws are all gone. I do know it's 5 3/8 inch blade, standard 5/8 inch arbor nut on it, Raptor hook. That's all I really know. If you go back to my other video, I can put a card up above that I went over all the specs of this one. All right, to the DeWalt aisle. Let's see what we got going on here. There's really not too much. I just like to go down the aisle and check for the yellow stickers. XR 3/8 inch impact wrench down to $149. That's not really that good of a deal. Let's see here. 8.8. That's not the 887. What is that one? Hammer drill kit, $179. These, it's not the big hammer drill. It doesn't have the handle or anything on it. We got the, what is that? 148. It was 159. Is that? That's not. See, they have the wrong tool. It's the power detect. That's not the power detect. It's not 148. You always gotta check what it says exactly on the tag. Impact driver kit. I want to say that's for the 887. Of course, they never have the 888 in the store. I don't know, guys. Not a ton of sales on DeWalt right now, other than the 12 volt. Let's see what they got on the end cap here. I know they also, what's this little kit here? Jigsaw, oscillating tool, sander. Comes with 1.5 in a bag for two. Oh, that's at $229. $299. It's okay. It's not great. $219 for that one. This XR kit. 887. $219. Comes with 2 2s. That's really about it over here, guys. Some batteries, crazy expensive. Don't buy these, wait till they go on sale. You want 88 bucks for the 5.0, the 12 volt. They want 70 bucks for a 3 amp hour 12 volt battery. They're crazy. Let's see up here. See what's funny? This was $79. Now it's up to $140, and this was $125. Now it's back up to $169. 60 bucks for a 4, 100 bucks for the 6, or 100 bucks for 2 4s. Craftsman. I know Tammy's always talking about Craftsman stuff. There you go, Tammy. Pack of 4s, $159 or $49. I know you can get cheaper than that online. 1 4 is $100. That's kind of steep. And a 2, so Craftsman is the same price as DeWalt. It should be significantly lower if you ask me. I know last time I hear they had the 9 and the 6 too. Yeah. $129 for 6.0 Craftsman battery. That's a little steep if you ask me. Alright, next aisle. Here's their main section with the DeWalt 12 volt stuff. Guys, this DeWalt hammer drill 12 volt is freaking sweet. Ooh, they got the extreme 12 volts saw here. I know this alarm is gonna go off here. Strokes per minute. Max cut capacity 1 3/4 of an inch. Max capacity rounded, same thing. Is that 27 what? Blade length 27 inches. Tool weight 6 pounds, 0.45 ounces. Not bad. Looks pretty slick, guys. I really wouldn't mind putting this up against the, oh, there it goes, the Milwaukee M12. Alright guys, if I can get 50 likes on this video, that's not too much, I will do the DeWalt 12 volt bandsaw compared against the Milwaukee M12 bandsaw. What do you guys say? 50 likes, come on, hit it. And of course they have the Bosch stuff, which is not nearly as good as the DeWalt. If you want to invest in a 12 volt line, right now Milwaukee is by far the biggest, then for sure DeWalt, then I'd go with Skil, then maybe Bosch. That's just me though. They dropped down the Kobalt light down to 40 bucks. I might have to get this bad boy. This light has been over here on this display forever. $50, yeah, right. Now, if you do want drill bits, Lowe's is the place to go. They got the Spyderco, which are freaking kick ass. Excuse my language, guys, but they are. They got the Mock Blues, are really nice. They got DeWalt, they got Kobalt. They have just about every other brand. I can't talk, brand. They have Bosch, of course, Bosch. They got Irwin. They got all the speed bores, guys. If you need the long speed bores to go through multiple studs, Lowe's is your place. Home Depot really doesn't carry a lot of them. Ooh, Spyderco has the big ones too. 10 bucks, that's really cheap for a 1 inch. 16 inch self-feeding spade, that's pretty good. Wow, that's actually a really good price. They got the big ones up there. Lennox blades, all kinds of good stuff. Let's kind of scan this real quick here, guys. Oh, I missed this one here. Also, if you're looking for Bosch, now's the time you can get any one of their tools. Then you get the free starter set for free, which is a free 4 amp hour battery and the charger. This is the core battery. It's not bad, guys. So now's the time if you want to get the Bosch circular saw or the impact something. Not bad. Pick up over at the Kobalt aisle. Fan, still 100 bucks. That's ridiculous. I saw a couple things online that said they dropped in price. Oh yeah, the die grinder is now $99. What else? Something else is on sale. Oh, the router is down to 99 bucks. The 3-tool combo kit is down to $224. Oh, the sale is if you buy the Kobalt Impact Wrench, the XR one, you get pretty much any free tool you want. There's a huge list online. Go check it out. Alright, here's the Kobalt deal, guys. Buy either one of these impact wrenches. Price $269. When does it end? It ends October 24th, 2021. You can get the right angle impact wrench, the ratchet recip, the light, the polisher, or the right angle drill. I mean, that's not too bad. It's a pretty good deal. I'd take it. Stuff over here. Not a ton of stuff, guys. I mean, there's no like super good deals I'd die without. And of course, DeWalt just has the buy more, save more. Spend 100, get 20. Spend 250, save 80. Spend 400, save 150. But really, there's nothing I'd want to spend $400 on here. Bunch of old impacts, some bits. No, thank you. Swing over the Skil. The set I just got, it's down to $149. The circular saw, which is pretty good, 99 bucks. I actually got mine for 79. Impact kit, 79. Double kit, 119. Guys, check Amazon. Their prices are much better. The oscillating tool I just did, this is the kit, it's $99. This one looks pretty sweet as well. It's $99. What else? Swing over to Craftsman. Guys, Craftsman line, nothing too special. Buy one Flex 24 volt kit, get a free battery. Oh yeah, the Flex. There's not really much going on the Flex, but if you buy one thing, you get a 2 amp hour battery for free. So that's not a bad deal. I'll take a free battery. Craftsman. Pretty much all the same crap. I haven't seen anything new from Craftsman recently. They did make their reset brushless, it looks like. There's the old one. The new one looks slightly different. They also got a brushless angle grinder, but that's been on for a while. Their miter saw down to $229. Alright guys, I feel like the Craftsman line's kind of dying. Here's this. What else? Should we go check out some miter saws over here? Big DeWalt, $629. Dual bevel, compound. We got the big Kobalt. It's on sale $349. Normally it's $369. Save $20. Again, dual bevel, compound. Not a bad saw. The DeWalt model. Model number DWS716. Let's see, and the main one they sell is the DWS708. Or excuse me, DWS780. My dyslexia was kicking in there. They got the Metabo Hikoki, whatever you want to call it, a couple of those. They have the cordless one here somewhere. What is it, this one? Nope. That one. I think it's over by the door they have it. Oh, here's the Craftsman right here. Guys, it's just a small, simple, sliding bevel to the right-hand side miter saw. The standard chop saw, $319. This one's on sale, $50. I know these go down a lot around the holidays, guys. Model DSW 779. Dual bevel compound miter saw. This little saw goes on sale on Black Friday for $99. I did a video on that one, check it out. That's about it. A couple more. Kobalt, the bigger. Is that a 10-inch or 12-inch? 12-inch Kobalt. Again, this is $20, $279. Guys, if you're gonna do a big purchase, wait till Black Friday or after that. It'll be down significantly. We got some big sockets on sale. Let's see. Down $20. Not too bad. Alright, I'm going over and check out the outdoor stuff real quick, and then we'll go. I always like to come back here. This is kind of like the outdoor clearance section right here. Oops, hold on. I thought I saw something good over here. Greenworks, $139. This is the plug-in. 8.5 amp tiller. What's the normal price on this thing? The model number if you want to look it up. I'm sure it's down, just probably $40 or something. They like to hide clearance items on the back here, guys. Let's see, look for the yellow tag. Nothing. Wow, shocker. Let's go check over here. Chainsaws, nothing's on sale. There's one blade on sale for $27. Crazy. Of course, it's fall. People are going to be doing yard work. Let's check the blowers. Guys, if you want a killer blower, the Kobalt 24 volt blower, you got to do it online though. It's this one here. It comes with a 4 amp hour, but then online it gives you a bonus 4 amp hour, so you get 2 4s, charger, and this is the updated blower with 500 CFMs. $149 online. Check it out. Good blower. Also did a review. I'll put a card above if you want. Check it out. They're getting rid of the Egos. They're down to $179 because now Egos at Home Depot. See, hide in the back, guys. I always check the back of Lowe's. They like to hide stuff. There's a plug-in, 20-foot cord included. Alright guys, that's all I really got for you. Come check out the DeWalt 12-volt stuff. It's definitely worth it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I always try to get back to you guys. I love reading your guys' comments, so keep them coming. Alright, if I can get 50 likes in this video, guys, 50, that's all it takes. We'll do the bandsaw comparison. Alright guys, much love. See ya!